Hello beautiful people of Meta World! Samahan niyo ko for this very delay upload mga people dahil ito ay kaganapan pa nung Sabado nights mga people. Yes! Sabado night! Meron ngang ALS prom night which is Hollywood ang theme ng aming ALS prom night mga people. Samahan niyo kami and let's see what happened during that night. Thank you so much mga people. Let's go! Siyempre mga people, bago tayo pumunta sa exciting part, kailangan nating mag-retouch. Kailangan nating magpaganda mga people para naman mga people, maganda tayo sa harapan ng ating mga estudyante. Kailangan ay si teacher maging presentable during that ALS night prom mga people. Course, special mention at shout out sa aking taga-makeup at always nandyan para magpaganda at mag-enhance ng aking beauty. Thank you so much, Erzen. Bye! Hair Fusion, mga people. Kung gusto niyo makita si Erzen at mag-reserve ng reservation para magpaganda sa kanya, mag-hair ribbon, makeup, mga people, punta lang po kayo sa Hair Fusion, San Jose Road, Zamboanga City. Let's go! Erzen touches my hair and face. Who touches yours?
A few moments later.
Andyan na naman si ate, nagkaganda-gandahan for today's video mga people. Syempre, minsan lang tayo maging maganda. Ganitong kaganda mga people, sulit-sulitin na natin.
May po ganun yung bistis yan.
Halawin tayo, nakawin na naman tayo content na to. Wala ba kumikap ako talaga, bitibog ka?
Ito lang, sakto. Munggo ka man. Ang ganda so.
Oo.
Color ako.
Yan ang rich tita Lu.
Hello mga people, live update. Para tayong nasa 1980s ang ating itsura. Ako lang pala. 1980s. Friends reveal. Pinakagwapo ng Sir JP.
Wala naman choice.
Lalaki.
Teacher din naman. Uy, ano?
Gumamads ma. Hello, Little Mermaid.
Oo.
Parang Ariel. Ariel ka, girl.
Ako'y magiging ako ng aking ginusto.
Pleasant evening, everyone. Welcome to this.
That's right, Sir JP. Tonight, we honor the dedication, passion, and growth of our ALS learners and teachers. That's why, prepare yourselves for a night full of surprises, inspiration, and unforgettable moments. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, our ALS students and teachers.
Ayan na nga mga people at nasa exciting part na tayo. Face reveal ng ating magaganda at mga gwapitong ALS student mga people. As you can see, diba? Napaka-gorgeous, stunning at napaka-handsome ng ating mga estudyante for tonight's events mga people. Sa araw na ito nga, sa gabing ito mga people ay may iba't ibang award silang pwedeng matanggap mga people. Isa na dito ang Head Turner Award. Meron ding Best Dress Award. And of course, ang ating Star of the Night and ang ating Man of the Hour mga people. Lahat ng yun ay pwede nilang matanggap sa gabing yun mga people. And maya-maya at makikita nyo nga kung sino yung nanalo ng mga awards na yun mga people. Lahat naman talaga pwedeng manalo mga people dahil nga ang ganda-ganda at ang gwapo-gwapo ng mga students natin for today's video mga people. Pero ganoon naman talaga, di ba? Pag competition talaga ay isa lang ang pwedeng manalo. Isa sa babae at isa sa lalaki. At alam nyo ba mga people, may pa-surprise award ang aming coordinator ng ALS mga people. Syempre, kung may students award mga people, meron ding teachers award mga people. Tingnan nyo dito sa mga video clips ko kung sino-sino ang nanalo sa mga award na yan mga people. Hindi magpapakabog si teacher for today's video. Maiba muna tayo saglit mga people. Medyo natagalan nga tayo sa pag-upload ng video na to mga people dahil nakakainis si Meta ha. Alam nyo naman 'di ba, pag gumagamit tayo ng music dito kay Meta ay bigla-bigla na lang nakaka-copyright yung mga music na ginagamit natin. Kaya naman ang hirap-hirap mag-edit mga people. Kailangan mo munang patahimikin yung mga music na naririnig at maririnig ni Meta dahil makaka-copyright ang video upload mo. Sayang naman yung kita mga people, yung 0.0001 na yan, 'di ba?
To an evening filled with recognition, transformation, and star quality performances. To officially open the ceremony, let us welcome our very own EPL track head, Ms. Jenny Maravilla.
She is a woman whose journey reflects dedication, resilience, and unwavering faith. A proud graduate of Western Mindanao State University, batch 2009, she began her career as a nurse and gained valuable international experience serving as a rehabilitation nurse in Oman, a company nurse at China Bank in Makati, and currently working in Munich, Germany in the fields of cardiology, gastroenterology, and neurology. Her story reflects courage, perseverance, and faith in God's perfect timing, as written in Ecclesiastes 3:11, that He has made everything beautiful in its time. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming our guest speaker, Jacqueline Cajes Carter. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good evening po sa lahat. Kamusta po tayong lahat? Kamusta po ang bawat isa sa atin ngayon? Gusto mo sila po palakpakan naman mo dyan. Wow! So, you all look so fabulous and gorgeous tonight. And, sometimes it's such a good feeling to be dressed once in a while. To pause, to mingle with one another, and tonight we celebrate each one of you. Araw niyo po to ngayong gabi, and we celebrate each one of you guys. Quick one, alam ko, no? I was supposed to fly to Germany last March 3, but my flight was canceled because of the war that is happening in the Middle East right now. And yung layover ko po is in Doha, Qatar. Alam niyo yung pakiramdam na you are all ready, excited ka nang bumalik, gusto mo nang magtrabaho, but all of a sudden, everything changed. Wala kong nakakaalam sa atin na this war will about to happen. Even those people na nandoon po sa Middle East, those people who are working in the airports, hindi mo nila akalain na masastop yung mga work nila. And it's just a reminder for me that tomorrow is not a promise. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa atin tomorrow, next week, next month. And so we always wake up each morning with a grateful to go to Germany. And one of the biggest challenge that I encountered was during my review, my father died. It was the year 2016 nung namatay yung father ko. And imagine how difficult it is for you to move forward, how difficult it is for you to study the language because wala ka ng gana. But then I go back to my core, I go back sa pinangahawakan kong dreams, and that is for me to work abroad. Education is not a rush. Education is not how fast you reach your destination, but it's the willingness that you have in continuing in moving forward. And alam niyo po, yung isa sa mga bagay, the mistakes na nakikita ko is how we compare our chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. Sometimes we always compare our situation to someone else's situation in which hindi ko natin namamalayan. We are already entertaining negativity that hinders us to move forward. But as we go along with the journey, kung nakakita ko tayo ng success ng bawat isa, it's okay to look for the success of other people, but we take it in a positive way. Kasi kung kaya nilang gawin, genuinely, kaya-kaya niyong gawin at kaya-kaya natin gawin. Because naniniwala po ako, I'm always a firm believer of a perfect timing. Kanya-kanya po tayo dito, we all have our own pace in life, our own perfect timing, and I also do believe that each one of us will also have our own timing in life. We don't need to rush, we don't need to compare ourselves because may kanya-kanya po tayong story sa buhay natin. And I believe that you all have a wonderful story to share. Bawat isa po sa atin dito may kanya-kanyang kwento po tayo, and I believe that one day you will gonna encounter someone who will gonna experience the same situation as yours, and your life will be a living testimony kung paano niyo po napagtagumpayan yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan ninyo. And so I just want you to know this night that whatever dreams that you have in your heart right now, kahit gaano man yan kahirap, kahit gaano man yan ka-imposible, know in your heart that you're gonna make it, know in your heart that you're gonna make it because you will love it and you have. Huwag po natin hayaan yung circumstances ang manalo sa buhay natin, but we should always fight against those negativity in our lives. And so, alam ko, parang pa kayo magdadaanin sa buhay niyo, hindi ko natatapos dito, kasi go along with your journey, marami pa kayong battles na maglalabanan, but I hope, and I hope and I pray that you're just gonna continue with a firm heart, with a strong spirit, because as long as we live, meron po tayo, we are all entitled to dream big. So, kahit na anong edad ng buhay natin, kahit anong estado po ng buhay natin, we are all entitled to dream big. And as we continue in our lives, may we continue to also be a blessing to one another. And so I just want to say congratulations to all of you. I know this is just the start of your journey. Mahaba pa po yung daan, mahaba pa po yung road, but I know that at the end of the tunnel, there's always a light. So congratulations, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our nominees for the Metamorphoses Award.
Yes, and once more, a round of applause to our nominees for the Metamorphosis Award. Congratulations, and take down! So that's for the Metamorphosis Award. Congratulations. The center stage, and of course, and take down will be awarded by Ma'am Natalie Suarez. Grabe naman yung mga supporter, hindi yung nagigil. Kailangan naman natin yung mga gigil nila. Alright, of course, kailangan naman nilabas yung supporter ni Dusty, J.M. Rada. Ayun, ayun yung supporter.
Last but definitely not the least, mga supporters naman ni Mr. John Paolo Engstrom. Jackie!
So we say congratulations to one star of the night, and that's going to be
May this indeed remind us that learning can also be joyful, creative, and full of connection. Thank you everyone for being part of this memorable celebration. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of the night.
1 hour later.
Haba-habang video upload ang naganap for today's video mga people. Maraming salamat po sa mga nakaabot sa dulo ng aking video. Dito ko po muna tatapusin. Huwag po kayong magsawang manood at makinig. Thank you so much mga people.